Hello and welcome again to Happiness Online Math. Today we have a very nice logarithm question, and we're supposed to find the value of x. Let us go ahead and prefer solution to this question. Solution. So we have log of x base 2 plus log of x base 3 is equal to 5. Now we see we have different bases, so let us convert log of x base 3 to base 2. So we'll follow the log formula that states that log of a base b, and we're trying to convert it to base c, becomes log of c a over log of base c b. So this is our formula. So let's rewrite this in this formula. So now what we have is log of x base 2 plus log of 2 x over log of 2 3 equals 5. Right, so this is what we have here. So let us work with this to try to solve for the value of x. So what is the next thing that we do? Now we can multiply all through by log 3 base 2, or we can just do the LCM, okay, whereby this is just over 1, this is just over 1. Okay, so now this is the same thing as log of x base 2 times log of 3 base 2 plus log of x base 2 divided by log of 3 base 2 times log of 3 base 2 equals 5 times log of 3 base 2. This will cancel out, and then we have log of x base 2 times log of 3 base 2 plus log of x base 2 equals 5 log of 3 base 2. Now we can see that there is a like term, log of x base 2. So let's collect like term, and then we have log of 3 base 2 plus 1 equals 5 log 3 base 2. So now the target is to find the value of x. So this will be divided by log of 3 base 2 plus 1. We need to get rid of this. So we're dividing both sides by this plus 1. So this can cancel out. That's 1. So now what we have is log of x base 2 being equal to 5 log 3 base 2 divided by log 3 base 2 plus 1. Now, let's see this log formula that we have. We have a log formula that states that log of AB equals C is the same as A equals B raised to power C. So this B pushes this C to the exponent position, and the B becomes the base. Okay, so log of A base B equals C becomes A equals B raised to power C. Therefore, our equation here now becomes x equals 2 raised to power 5 log 3 base 2 divided by log 3 base 2 plus 1. So now this is our final answer. Now let us go ahead and verify this to see if this answer that we got is correct. So we go back to our question that states log of x2 log of x base 2 plus log of x base 3 equals 5. And remember, we rewrote this to become log of x base 2 plus log of 2 base, x over log of base 2, 3 equals 5. So wherever we see x, we put this value. So our value of x is equal to 2 raised to power 5 log 3 base 2 divided by log 3 base 2 plus 1. Okay, this is our x. So now let's plug in the value of x into this equation. So now we have log base 2 of 2 raised to power 5 log 3 base 2 divided by 3 base 2 plus 1 plus, we're doing the same thing again, five log 3 base 2 divided by log 3 base 2 plus 1 divided by log of 3 base 2. Let's see if this is going to be equal to 5. Right, so we know that log of AB C is the same thing as C log of A base B, and also that log of A base A is equal to 1. So with all these formulas in mind, now we start by rewriting from the left hand side. So this becomes 5 log of 3 base 2 divided by log of 3 base 2 plus 1. This value times log of 2 base 2 plus, same thing here, 5 log of 3 base 2 divided by log of 3 base 2 plus 1 log of 2 base 2 divided by log of 3 base 2. Let's see if this is going to be equal to 5. This is obviously raised to power, divided by 1. Okay, so log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. So now we have 5 log 3 base 2 divided by log 3 base 2 plus 1 over 1 plus 5 log 3 base 2 divided by log 3 base 2 plus 1 all divided by log 3 base 2, and let's see if it's going to be equal to 5. So now we can factor out this whole thing, and if we do, we have 5 log 3 base 2 divided by log 3 base 2 plus 1 factored out now becomes times 1 plus 1 over log 3 base 2. So if that's going to be equal to 5. Now if we take the LCM of what we have here, it becomes 5 log 3 base 2 divided by log 3 base 2 plus 1 times log 3 base 2 plus 1 divided by log 3 base 2. Let's see if that's going to be equal to 5. Right, so from what we see here, we see that this is the same as this, so they can cancel out. And then we see that this is also equal to the same thing as this, so this can cancel out. So now what we have left is just 5. So here this is just 5 times 1. So 5 is equal to 5. And that means our left-hand side is looking like our right-hand side. So this just simply means that the value of x, which is what we got here, our value of x, which is 2 raised to the power 5 log 3 base 2 divided by log 3 base 2 plus 1 is the correct answer. So if you enjoyed today's solution to this question, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also like this video. If you've learned something new, make sure that you share this video to someone that you believe might benefit from this. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. I'll see you on the next video. Take care and bye-bye.